All right, hello everyone. Beef stew is what's for dinner. So I've got a little bit of oil in my skillet. I have already put some seasoned flour on this stew meat and we're going to brown it. I will show you the reason for flouring that as it gets ready. But we're going to just get all this browned here. It's stuck together in my bowl. And the color you brown your meat, okay, so I've got this browned down about the way I want it. Keep it in mind that this is going to be the color of the gravy also. We're going to add a little bit of beef base in there. That'll make it just a little bit darker. But for now, we're going to add some water. I'm going to cover it with water. We're going to let that simmer until tender. But I don't like celery in my beef stew, or when I'm eating it, I don't want pieces of celery. So I'm going to put that celery in there like that. I'm going to let the flavor of that celery get in my broth. And then I will remove it before I add the rest of the stuff. We're going to put about 3 tablespoons of chicken base in there. Excuse me, beef base. We're going to mix this up. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer. All right, my meat is tender. I have added potatoes and carrots in here. I'm going to cover this back up and let it cook down until the potatoes and carrots are tender. And then if we need to thicken this, I'll add a little cornstarch. I won't know till the end. But now would be the time to adjust your seasonings also. And when we come back, I'll let you see the finished product. Stew meat, potatoes and carrots, loaded cornbread. That's what's for dinner.